Hello everyone, myself Monica Ransi. Today I am going to represent my second task from the Sparks Foundation internship, and that is exploratory data analysis on terrorism. Okay, so this is my second task, and I did this task using Tableau. Okay, so let's move to Tableau. Okay, so this is my dashboard of global terrorism attack, and I did this dashboard using Tableau. Okay, so in this dashboard, I try to find out some insights from given data of global terrorism attacks. Okay, so first insight is which country is mostly affected by terrorist attack. Okay, so here is the graph. This first graph is country with most attack, and here we can see that Iraq country is highly affected by terrorist attack, and that count of attack in that country is 24,636. Okay, and after Iraq there is a Pakistan country which is second most highly affected country. Okay, and the attack count is 14,600 sorry 14,368. And after that there is a Afghanistan country, and the count is 12,731. And fourth number is of India, and terrorist attack count is 11,960. Okay, so from first graph we can find out that Iraq country is highly affected by terrorist attack. Okay, now next I try to find out most affected cities, top 10 most affected cities. Okay, and here is the graph for that, and here we can see that there are 9,822 unknown cities, who those cities are highly affected. And after that there is a Baghdad city which is second most highly affected city by terrorist attack. Okay, and the count is 7,589. Okay, and after that we can see that this city, Karachi city, is uh, third city which is highly affected. Okay, so this is top 10 cities which are highly affected. Then after that I try to find out which region is highly affected by terrorist attack, and here we can clearly see that Middle East and North Africa, this region is highly affected. Okay, and the count is 12,536. Okay, and after that here we can see that this South America region is second most highly affected, and after that there is a South Asia region which is highly affected. Okay, so these are top 10 regions, those are highly affected. After that I try to find out which attacking mode is used for terrorist attack. Okay, so here we can see that this bombing or explosion mode is highly used for attacks. Okay, and the count for that is 88,255. Okay, then after that here we can see that arm assault, and the count is 42,669. Okay, so these are top 10 attacking mode which are used for terrorist attack. Okay, after that I try to find out top 5 targets to attack. Okay, so here we can see that civilians are mostly targeted by terrorist attack, and the count is 6,479. Okay, and after that there are unknown targets, and the count is 5,994. Okay, so here we can clearly see that civilians are highly affected, or mostly civilians are targets of that terrorist attack. Okay, then next I try to find out which are top 5 gang names who who did this terrorist attack. Okay, so here we can see that there are 82,782 uh, unknown targets, oh, sorry, unknown gang names. We don't know actual what actually we don't know what is the name of those gangs. Okay, so the count is 82,782. Okay, and after that there is a another gang name which is second most gang name, that is Taliban. Okay, and after that there is a Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant. Okay, then next is Shining Path, and then next is Farabundo Marti National Liberation Front. Okay, so these are top five gang names who did these attacks. Okay, and then next I try to find out top five weapons used for the attack. Okay, and here we can see that explosive type of weapons are mostly used for terrorist attack, and that and count for that is 44,980. Okay, and after that there is a okay, gun type weapon is second most used weapon for the attack, and after that here we can see that vehicle, okay, then projectile, and then another explosive type. Okay, so these are top five weapon types. Okay, so this is total dashboard of global terrorism attack, and using that dashboard I try to find out some insights. Okay, now let's move to the conclusion of this EDA. Okay, so here is conclusion of EDA. So first we can see that Iraq is the country where the maximum number of terrorist attacks happen, and the count is 44,636. After that Pakistan, and then Afghanistan, and India is at the fourth position. Okay, then second insight is there is a city whose name is not known, but that city is most affected city, and after that Baghdad city is mostly affected. Then talking about region, Middle East and North America region is the mostly affected region by attacks. And next insight is bombing or explosion mode is the maximum time used for attack. Okay, so mostly bombing or explosion mode is used for the attack. Then next is most target of terrorist attacks are civilians. Okay, then uh, there are unknown gang names whose attack count is 82,782, and after that there is a Taliban gang who attack for 7,4878 times. Okay, then there is a next insight is explosive type of weapon is mostly used for attack, and the count is the count is 7 lakh 19,680 times, and after that gun type weapon is used for the attack. So this is all about my dashboard. Thank you very much. If you have any suggestions in this dashboard, then feel free for that. I will try to apply those suggestions in my next Tableau dashboard. Thank you.